So this video is for my graphic design for prints and screen. So one of the things that some people did last class was actually pick a font for their business. And so this website is called 1001 Fonts. It is a great option for those who don't know how to design their own fonts. The great thing about this is that you can actually type in your business name and see what your business name would look like. Because even though you see the text, it might look weird when you use the letters for your name. So I'm using Barbacoa as an example. And basically, you could see these in different texts. When you do, now notice there is a menu at the very top that gives you other styles. So there's hand lettering, handwriting, handwritten. So they all have a specific style that is similar. And so you want to kind of go through these and figure out which one you want. You press more, gives you a bunch of other ones, a bunch of options. The one thing you want to be careful is some of these get very, very gimmicky, and so you want to be careful. Don't uh, understand that you have a logo and your font should match your logo. You don't want your text to be so strong that it overpowers your logo. So we're gonna just pick and actually, let's see. Here's modern. So we'll pick modern. And let's say I want this font right here. I could take a look at the other letters just in case I want to use it for something else. Notice that it's free for personal use. So what I'm going to do is download it. So there's a download button here, and there's a download button right at the beginning of the first page. So go over, press download, and this will download it into your folder. Now, if you don't have it popping up like in my computer, you can go down into the Finder, open up Finder, and there is Barsetto. Now I already uploaded this once, but here's what it would look like. It would say zip. That's a compressed file. So you would double click that and it would open it up again. So here's Barsetto 2 because I opened it twice. Now this is how you add your font to the computer. You need the TTF file. That's this file right here. It's a special type of file for text and fonts. So there it is. It pops it up, and all you got to do is press replace. And that's it. That's how you add the font to the computer. So once you go into Illustrator, there's my Barbacoa. I already did this before, so that's why you're seeing it already. But as you look through your letters, remember this is alphabetical order. And we're looking for Barsetto, B-A-R. So right before Baskerville, here's Barsetto. And there's our font. And it's all set. Now, once you have your font, you got to figure out how do you want this to look. So if you pick your first arrow tool over here, which is called the selection tool, you can make your letters a little taller. You can squash them down a little bit. You could change the size, so on. And don't forget, you still got to do your tagline. So where's your tagline going to be? Is it going to be in the bottom? And how big is your tagline going to be? And so as you fill out your tagline, you got to figure out where you're going to put these things together. And so you're basically designing your title. Now, if you have images as part of your title, then that's another part that you have to create. And so that's the next step that I want you guys to work on is understanding the fonts, which font you're picking, and tagline, and how you're putting them together. If your title or your name of your business has more than one word, whether you're going to just put them across, or you're going to stack the words, it all depends on your title or the name of your business. All right, so this is what we're working on today.